An age of powerful kings. One refugee queen rewrote the rules and made history. Meet Dido, aka Alyssa, the woman who turned betrayal into an empire. Born a princess of Tyre, her world crumbles when her ambitious brother Pygmalion commits the ultimate betrayal by killing her husband, Sychaeus, for the throne. But Dido has a plot twist of her own. She grabs the royal treasury, rallies her followers, and stages a dramatic exit from Tyre. Landing in North Africa, she pulls off the ultimate real estate hack. Asking King Iarbas for just one ox hide of land, she slices it into paper-thin strips, claiming enough space for an entire city. Watch as she builds Carthage, a city so magnificent that future empires would envy. Then, fate drops Aeneas, Trojan hero and ancient heartthrob, right on her doorstep. Romance sparks, but just as things heat up, the gods remind Aeneas he's got his own empire to found. Suddenly, Dido's left balancing heartbreak with running her kingdom. Coming soon to theaters near you. Dido, founder and first queen of Carthage, the true story of a queen who built an empire from scratch and a legend that's echoed through the ages. Warning, side effects may include urges to check real estate contracts, outsmart toxic siblings, and build your own Mediterranean superpower.